Hey, guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today's video is about the 5 best music players for Windows. In this video, I am gonna show 5 free music players for your PC. If are bored of your average Windows media player now you want to try a new music player, or you looking for better look music player, then you are in right place. In this video, I am gonna show 5 music players that are better than your average media player. Let's start the video. By the way, if are new to my channel, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. The number 5 is AIMP Audio for Windows. AIMP Audio is a free music player that can play music tracks from CDs and other formats at high quality. It has some cool effects and useful features such as multi-speed playback, pitch adjustment, and an equalizer. AIMP Audio gives you the highest quality audio that is specifically optimized for different environments. In addition to providing a superb sound, it also has a sync lyrics feature for audio playback, so you can listen to music while following along with the lyrics. If no lyrics are available online, you can enter your own lyrics using the sync lyrics editor and then upload them. Moreover, via the AIMP Pod service, you can listen to popular podcasts by streaming or downloading them. Key features include playback speed control, A/B repeat, pitch control, equalizer, audio effects, sync lyrics and editor, podcast streaming and downloading. The number 4 is Musicbee. Musicbee is a music manager and player that helps you to find and play songs on your computer with ease. It is one of the best music players for Windows PC that supports web radio stations, podcasts, and SoundCloud integration. The tool has an auto-tagging feature that enables you to clean up a messy library. Features: you can fine-tune sound with ease. This music player for PC enables you to listen to music without interruption. Support the Winamp plugin to enhance the music. The tool can automatically sync the files to mobile phones and PC. You can change player appearance with ease. The number 3 is AIMP. AIMP is a free audio player that enables you to play music files without any hassle. It is one of the best audio players for Windows 10 that allows you to set shortcuts for ease of access. The tool can skip the tracks in case the file with the same name already exists. Features: it can remove tags from WAV files. You can manage speed or temp with ease. Supported platforms are Windows and Android. AIMP allows you to search for your interested songs. This MP3 player for PC helps you to easily select and play tracks. The number 2 is Mediamonkey. Mediamonkey is a music manager and player in one. It catalogs all your CDs and audio files and gives you a multitude of options, or manages and organizes your collection. If you're serious about music, you'll love Mediamonkey. With Mediamonkey, you can organize thousands of files, from music and audiobooks to movies and videos. It gives you great flexibility in how you organize and listen to your music and multimedia files. With comprehensive tagging abilities, you can organize your music your way, without restriction. Key features include: manage and play your music, automatically identify missing information, tag music, update and correct track information, automatic renaming and organization, create playlists, drag and drop functionality, automatic library updates, download music and podcasts. The number 1 is Windows has never had any lack of music players, but Winamp was still almost everyone's favorite. It wasn't the most functional players around like Mediamonkey or others, but it was the best looking player for playing locally stored music, and had the best of looks as well. Not to mention it was easy to enjoy your music and manage it from within Winamp. Unfortunately, Winamp has been out of development and will stay that way. There is another new entry into the music player space though. It's called Dopamine Music Player, and it checks all those boxes that Winamp did. Dopamine is a free music player for Windows 10 that ticks many of my boxes. And while it's not the most feature-packed media player in history, it's still capable of providing a well-rounded experience. Features: supported languages are English, Dutch, German, French, and more. You can easily change the appearance of this tool. It allows you to set up your music collection. Dopamine allows you to control music from the taskbar. It can be used for Windows operating system. So guys, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.